Stop thinking of Gemini as just a chatbot. After Google I/O 2025, Gemini has officially become an AI operating system. Google just dropped a full suite of tools that don't just talk to you. They see for you, create for you, and even work for you while you sleep. I'm Ray, and today on the Creators Lab, we're breaking down the 10 wild updates that are about to change your creative workflow forever. Let's dive in. First up, Gemini Live is now free on both Android and iOS. This isn't just voice chat. You can now turn on your camera, point it at anything, and talk to Gemini about it in real time. It's now fully synced with your maps, calendar, and tasks. For us creators, the big news is Imagen 4 and Veo 3. Imagen 4 is Google's sharpest image model yet that delivers high-res images, precise text, and lightning-fast outputs. It is perfect for creating stunning posters or pitch decks, offering professional quality at your fingertips. Veo 3 is the real showstopper. It's a video model with native sound. You give it a prompt, and it generates the video, the background ambiance, and even the character dialogue in one go. Like I said earlier, with Veo 3 and Imagen 4, creators can do a whole lot of creations.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that? This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
If you hate manual research, Deep Research now lets you upload PDFs and screenshots to combine with public data for a full report. It gives you a complete, contextual report. Just see it as your AI-powered research assistant for school, work, or market insights. Think of Canvas as your new creative studio. It creates code, quizzes, infographics, or even podcasts using simple text prompts. It is powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro for faster and smarter generation. Gemini is now baked directly into Chrome. It can summarize articles and, get this, it will soon be able to navigate tabs and automate browsing for you. For students or lifelong learners, the new interactive quizzes mean you can ask Gemini to test you on any subject, and it will generate follow-up questions based specifically on what you got wrong.
Which of these poses should I do for the racing podium?
The article mentions that the arms crossed pose can look confident and relaxed. On a podium, it could project a cool and collected winner.
Nailed it. Thanks, Gemini. Welcome to Chrome.
Just ask Gemini. Create a quiz on thermodynamics. You don't only get questions and instant feedback, but Gemini also follows up with personalized quizzes based on what you missed. 2.5 Flash is now the default, and it's super fast and available for free. It's lightweight, responsive, and powerful enough for most tasks. Google also streamlined the pricing. 2.5 Flash is now the default fast and free model. But if you want the heavy lifting, Google AI Pro is $19.99 a month. However, for the power users, there is now an Ultra plan at a steep $249.99 a month. That gets you VIP access to VO3, Deep Think mode, and the highest rate limits available. Finally, the Holy Grail, Agent Mode. Coming soon, you'll be able to set a goal, like, help me find and book an apartment, and Gemini will browse listings, shortlist the best ones, and even email the agent for you. This is autonomous AI, and it's living right inside the Google ecosystem.
Let me show you an example Gemini app. We call it Agent Mode. Say you want to find an apartment for you and 2 roommates in Austin. You've each got a budget of $1,200 per month. Laundromat nearby. Normally, you'd have to spend a lot of time scrolling through endless listings. Using Agent Mode, the Gemini app goes to work behind the scenes. If there's an apartment you want to see, Gemini uses MC the listing in Zillow and schedule a tour on your behalf. And it will keep browsing for it too, freeing up to do stuff you want to do. And how you'll decorate. And it's great for Zillow, bringing in new customers and improving conversion rates. An experimental version of Agent Mode in the Gemini app will be coming soon to subscribers. This is a new and emerging area, and we're excited to explore how best to bring the benefits of agents to users and the ecosystem more broadly.
Google isn't just competing with ChatGPT anymore. They're building a world where the AI is the interface. Which of these 10 features are you most excited to use in your content? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Ray Creators Lab for more AI breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.